Old building that was vacant for about 70 years and was about to be torn down until somebody says, no, I'm gonna buy it, I'm gonna refurbish it, and we're gonna put a restaurant in it. This I gotta see. Welcome to HERM'S Inn.
The word's out. Everyone in Logan knows about HERM'S.
People come from out of town to come here.
And they've done that since the early 1900s, because this historic building has been a place for travelers to sleep, eat, and top off the tank. And Chef Riley Brown are in charge of filling up guests once again.
In-N-Out grilled cheese, table 9.
I have the InsideOut grilled cheese. It's so good. It's got this crunchy cheese on the outside, and on the inside there's guacamole and black beans.
It's very different than any other grilled cheese that you're gonna find.
What are we making, Chef?
Salsa, Anaheim's, roasted red bell pepper, and roasted green pepper.
And jalapenos?
You've got it. Whole stewed tomatoes,
Have light on.
green onions, little garlic, toasted ground cumin,
Beautiful.
a little bit of sugar,
Thanks, honey.
chopped red onion.
Agua?
That is actually white vinegar, sriracha, cilantro, and our house seasoning.
And that makes the salsa.
Now we're gonna make our black beans. A little bit of olive oil,
Sweat the peppers and onions.
salsa,
Okay.
canned beans,
Okay.
strained,
And a little bit more of the magic dust.
salt, garlic salt, black pepper.
Must swell up like a pufferfish.
Then we just add a little bit of water,
And how long are we gonna let these cook?
15 minutes.
After this?
We make the grilled cheese. A little butter on the grill, add our shredded cheese down.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
This is what makes it inside out. We're trying to get a crispy and a chewy effect. Cover that lid over there, let that steam so that that cheese on top melts while the cheese on bottom crisps up just right.
Yeah.
Fresh made guacamole on here.
Everybody tuning in home, this is the weirdest grilled cheese we've ever seen on Triple D.
Take a scoop of beans. We'll hit
Okay.
it with a little sriracha.
And that's all she wrote. I don't know who's trying to be funny around here, but that kind of looks like somebody's hairline. I've had a lot of crazy food, dude, but this is taking it. You get this fried crunch, we call this the skirt. Then you take delicious beans and guacamole, stick them inside of a really thick quesadilla. Dynamite.
Thank you. That's how I fist bump. Get a kick out of
Things
it.
are getting weird.
All right, you guys, I have those InsideOut grilled cheese for you.
It's just a really unique flavor.
It's really good, really cheesy.
That's up there in grilled cheese history.